Hi foodies! Enjoyment Minister is back, and today my neighbor is giving me a treat. She's making fried rice and chicken. She first cooked her rice, and whilst the rice was cooling down, she pre-prepped her vegetables. She then scrambled some eggs and set it aside, sauteed some onions, and our chef says unless we serve her some drink, she won't continue. Hey, chef Benny, anyways. So she added her diced bell peppers, red, yellow, green, and orange, added some carrots, and added some shrimp cube. You can use any seasoning of your choice. She then added her scrambled eggs, and she had also stir fried some shrimps and chicken breast earlier, so she added them as well. Mixed everything together and added her cooked rice. Stirred everything together till it was properly mixed with the veggies. Added powdered pepper for some heat. Added some oyster sauce. This food here, no measurement too. You just add your ingredients till your ancestors say it's okay, then you stop. Mix everything together, and once all the ingredients married well together, our food was ready and it was so delicious. We went round 1, round 2, round 3. Also, do you realize you eat more when you're eating with a group? Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, please follow for more.